So something came today. Let's have a look. If it's what I think it is, you'll be seeing it. If not, it won't get uploaded. So yes, it is. It's from them again. See what we've got this time? No freebie. But this one is the I can't remember. From Big Clive anyway, and you can mount these with like spacers onto whatever you're going to mount them onto, I suppose. And you can do individual letters on this, and I'm going to put like R00 for Roo for my grandson to match. And I'll go with the big and that I've done before on the A4 board. Another thing I thought you might want to see, if I put this on, is this connector. See? It's running that. Give you a more detailed look at it. Machine. That is basically it. I'll see if I can find a link and put it in the description about these, because they're really handy tools if you can't afford it or don't want to buy a quick test, because how often you're going to use it. And then another thing is I've got this like a hard drive case that I used to use. I don't use it anymore, so I thought I'd convert it into a power bank, stick it on the back of my Oculus Quest to power it a bit longer. It looks a bit messy, but the basic thing is you can charge it and you can use it to power stuff. And because there's still plenty of room in it, because I'm only using for old phone batteries, I bought another one, and I shall stick it on the other side, so when that side runs out, I've got another battery to put in for this side. So we'll have a little look at that when it's when I get around to doing it. So yeah, a few things going on. Keep us busy. Here's a closer look at what I was on about here. You know, the ones that you can put your letters in. Well, these are the things I was on about. They're called PCB standoffs, and you just push them in the back. I'm not going to push it all the way through them because I'm not ready to do it, but you'll put the 4 on there, and I plan on gluing those onto whatever it is every time. I can't remember what I paid, but I think it's 20 there, and plenty for me. I've only got three boards to do, and there's only a couple of quid. But I'll put a link for those in as well.